Hi, I'm Steven with Amerimax Home Products, here to talk to you today about our new StealthFlow family of products. Before beginning any drainage accessory project, ensure that there's a slope away from your foundation. We recommend 6 inches of fall within the first 10 feet. Getting into the family of products, StealthFlow features a low-profile design. This can be covered with any landscape material such as pine straw, mulch, or river rock. It'll blend seamlessly into your landscape, giving the aesthetics of a buried drainage system without the cost or hassle of digging. StealthFlow will come in a 3-piece family. First is the StealthFlow kit. The kit's going to feature a 24-inch extension and an elbow. The elbow will fit a 2x3 downspout out of the box and a simple cut line to fit a 3x4 downspout. So no matter what size downspout you have when you get home, StealthFlow will fit. In addition, we'll offer a 24-inch extension. Its simple snap-to-fit design allows you to create a custom drainage run away from your home. The third and most unique part of the system is the 45 to 90 degree adjustable elbow. This elbow has a slide design from 45 to 90, allowing you to turn StealthFlow around corners, landscaping, and bushes. Again, the simple snap to fit will fit anywhere in the chain of StealthFlow products that we offer. The purpose of any downspout extension is to move the high volume of rainwater from the roof away from the foundation. Any water that happens to seep from the connections will be less than that from the rainfall, which is saturating the ground around the foundation. However, if a completely watertight seal is preferred, or the necessary slope away from the foundation with the downspout extension is unable to be achieved, there are 2 methods in which to achieve this seal. Method 1 is to use corrugated tile tape to secure the seams on the extension and the kit, and also the center of the elbow. Method 2 is to use a bead of silicone caulk around the joints on the kit and the extension, and also on the elbow. In summary, StealthFlow will give you the aesthetics of a buried drainage system by blending seamlessly into your landscape when covered with any landscape material, without the digging. We thank you for tuning in to learn more about our StealthFlow family of products. You can find this product and other rain diverting accessories from Amerimax Home Products at your local retailer.